step into the Ram 2020 1500 Bighorn. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: granite crystal metallic clear coat, tires, 275/55 R20 all-season LRR, gross vehicle weight, 7,200 pounds, diesel gray black deluxe cloth bucket seats included, power 8-way driver seat bucket seats, manual adjust 4-way front passenger seat, full-length floor console, power 4-way driver lumbar adjust, radio, Uconnect 4 with 8.4 display, 3.21 rear axle ratio, STD, quick order package 28Z Bighorn included, engine 3.0 L V6 turbo diesel Gen 3 transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 75, DFV, Bighorn badge, wheels, 20-inch x 9 inches aluminum chrome clad, WRK, and Parkson's front rear park.